few more days of sunny and unseasonably warm weather. Let this be for a little more, and well, it's not going to get any bigger, and it's not going to ripen any further. These, so it's time to take this home. So let's talk a little bit about this pumpkin. Well, it hasn't done as well as I was hoping it would. I mean, it's been a very warm summer, so I thought they would do very well, but of course it's been a very dry summer, and they need a lot of water. This is a Rouge Vif de Tombe variety, French sort I mentioned before, and it's sort of well, it doesn't look like it has matured as much as I wanted it to. It's supposed to have a lot more ridges and curves on it. If you look up an image, it's usually a lot redder too. My smaller pumpkins had a better color and perhaps a little better shape, but well, it's good enough for eating, I'm sure. I don't think I'll be able to take any seeds from it, so well, I have to buy those in. I try to take as many seeds as I can from one year to another. Saves a little bit, and it's supposed to well, if you keep it up for enough years, you're supposed to get a local variety. If you take the best ones every year, you'll have the ones that are most adapted to the local climate. I did weigh the other two pumpkins I took in September, and I was quite optimistic when I think I said the weight about 3 kilos, no, 1.5, and a little more for the other one. So perhaps 3 kilos for this, probably not more than 4. So what to do next year? I started these indoors, and they take quite a while to get going again when I planted them out. So this year I think I'll try to plant them, direct sowing them, and putting some sort of a glass over them, perhaps just a glass jar or something. And I've done that before, and that one did a lot better than the other ones. So we'll try that next year.